Today we're looking at a higher level Leaving Cert question. The coordinates of 2 points are A, 4, -1 and B, 7t. The line L1, 3x minus 4y minus 12 equals 0, is perpendicular to AB. Find the value of t. Because the line L1 is perpendicular to AB, if we find the slope of L1, we can then take that, change the sign, turn it upside down, and that will give us the slope of AB. So, to find the slope of L1, you're going to go to page 18 in your book of formula and tables, and there you have the equation of a line formula. Y equals mx plus c. And the reason we're using this one is because m is the slope. So let's write down L1 down here again. 3x minus 4y minus 12 equals 0. So we want to get our y term to the one side and everything else to the other side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Because of course, when we bring 3x over to the other side, it changes the sign, and the same is true of the minus 12. Next step is we're going to divide everything by minus 4. So y is equal to minus 3 over minus 4x plus 12 divided by minus 4. The minus signs cancel. Y is equal to 3 over 4x plus 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. And so we have found our slope, which is 3 over 4. So let's write over here, slope of L1, 3 over 4. Now, as we mentioned earlier, when we have the slope of L1, we can get the slope of AB. And what we do is we change the sign. So this is positive, that is a plus. So we make this minus and turn it upside down. So it becomes 4 over 3. The next thing we need to do is to find the value of t. And to do that, we're going to use another formula that you will find on page 18, and that is the slope of a line formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in this case, when we look at AB, this is going to be x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's substitute in. Well, m we know is the slope, and our slope of AB is minus 4 over 3 is equal to y2 t minus y1, which is minus 1, so it's in brackets, over x2, which is 7, minus x1, which is 4. Okay, so let's look at what we have. So we have minus 4 over 3 is equal to, minus by a minus is a plus, t plus 1 over 7 minus 4, which is 3. Now we can multiply across by 3, and when we do that, the 3's are going to cancel, and then we are left with minus 4 is equal to t plus 1. And we need to solve for t, so t is equal to minus 4, bring over the plus 1, becomes minus 1. And so therefore, t is equal to minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. And there we go. So let's just recap for a moment. The first thing we did is that we noticed that the line L1 is perpendicular to AB. And so therefore we knew that by finding the slope of L1, we could then turn that upside down, change the sign, and we would have the slope of AB. That then allowed us to use the slope of a line formula in order to solve for t. All done.